Weather's wild ride, from scorching to freezing. Hold on to your hats, folks, because Mother Nature is taking us on a wild ride this week. The weather is more unpredictable than ever, and it's showing us just how extreme it can get. Across the United States, we're seeing a dramatic weather whiplash, with scorching heat waves in the Southwest, where temperatures are soaring to record highs, making it almost unbearable to step outside. Severe storms predicted for the Midwest, bringing with them the threat of heavy rain, strong winds, and even hail. These storms could cause significant damage and disrupt daily life, and even the possibility of snow in the Rockies and Canada. Yes, you read that right, snow in June. This unseasonable snowfall is baffling meteorologists and residents alike. This unusual weather cocktail is a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of our planet's climate. It seems like every year, the weather patterns become more erratic and harder to predict. So, buckle up and get ready for a meteorological roller coaster as we break down these extreme weather events and their potential impacts. We'll explore how these conditions are affecting different regions and what you can expect in the coming days. This week's forecast reads like a tale of two extremes. It's almost as if the weather can't make up its mind, swinging from one extreme to the other. While some regions bake under the relentless summer sun, with temperatures climbing higher than usual and creating dangerous heat conditions, others face the possibility of unseasonable snowfall, turning what should be a warm season into a winter wonderland. This drastic shift in temperatures and weather patterns is a cause for concern and fascination alike. It's a vivid illustration of how dynamic and powerful our atmosphere can be. Join us as we delve deeper into the science behind these weather phenomena and explore their implications for the days to come. We'll look at what causes these extreme events and what they mean for our future. Southwest Sizzle's heat wave engulfs the region. The Southwest is experiencing an unprecedented heat wave, with temperatures climbing to dangerous levels. A massive dome of high pressure has parked itself over the Southwest, creating a stifling atmosphere that traps heat and prevents cooler air from moving in. This phenomenon is sending temperatures soaring to record-breaking levels, with some areas experiencing their hottest days in decades. Cities like Phoenix, Las Vegas, and Death Valley are bracing for temperatures well above 110 degrees Fahrenheit, with some forecasts predicting even higher peaks. These extreme conditions have prompted excessive heat warnings and advisories across the region, urging residents to take immediate action to protect themselves. This intense heat can be particularly dangerous for vulnerable populations, such as the elderly, young children, and those with pre-existing health conditions. They are at a higher risk of heat-related illnesses. The National Weather Service is urging residents to take precautions during this heat wave. Simple steps can make a big difference in staying safe. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, even if you don't feel thirsty. Dehydration can set in quickly in such extreme heat. Seek air-conditioned spaces during the hottest parts of the day, such as shopping malls, libraries, or designated cooling centers. Limit strenuous outdoor activities, especially during peak heat hours. If you must be outside, take frequent breaks in the shade or indoors. Remember, heat stroke is a serious medical emergency. Be aware of the symptoms, which include dizziness, confusion, and a rapid heartbeat. Seek immediate medical attention if you or someone you know experiences these signs. Stay safe and take this heat wave seriously. Midwest braces for severe storms and potential outbreaks. The heartland of America is on high alert as meteorologists predict a week of intense and potentially dangerous weather conditions. Meanwhile, in the Midwest, a clash of air masses is setting the stage for a potentially explosive weather week. This region is no stranger to severe weather, but the current conditions are particularly concerning. Warm, humid air from the Gulf of Mexico is colliding with cooler, drier air from the north, creating a volatile atmospheric cocktail. This mix of air masses is a classic recipe for severe weather, often leading to powerful storms. This clash of air masses is expected to fuel severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds, large hail, and even tornadoes. The potential for these storms to cause significant damage is high, and residents should be prepared for the worst. The Storm Prediction Center has placed a large portion of the Midwest under a moderate risk for severe weather, indicating a significant threat for widespread severe storms. This level of risk is not issued lightly and suggests that the upcoming weather could be particularly hazardous. Residents in these areas should stay weather aware and have a plan in place in case severe weather threatens. This includes knowing where to take shelter and having an emergency kit ready. Have multiple ways to receive weather alerts, such as through a weather radio, smartphone app, or local news broadcasts. Staying informed is crucial, as conditions can change rapidly, and timely alerts can save lives.